Hey, how's it going? I'm Nick, and it's been a couple weeks since I've uploaded a video because we were in the process of moving from Akron, Ohio to Durham, North Carolina. So you can see in the background this huge mess of stuff. I had to consolidate my basement and my garage to just a two-car garage. So obviously I had the previous videos where I was listing the Suzuki Bandit for sale, and that sold. I also sold the Fiat Spider that I made a video about, and I'll put those video links in the description or in the banner up here actually. So this video I'm going to be installing an air intake on the Veloster N, and it's the Injen Polished air intake, and I chose this one admittedly because I think it looks cool and I think it's going to sound really cool. I think there's better air intakes out there for actual performance, but I wasn't really willing to do a tune anyways at this point, so I don't think you're really going to get much performance out of just doing an intake on a turbo car like this, but I'm going to do it anyways just because it looks cool. So that's why I selected it, and also I'm going to, in the first part of this video, do a comparison before and after between stock and with the air intake to see if there's a noticeable difference in sound. So first let's unbox it, and then we'll get into the comparison, and then I'll do an installation tutorial. So bear with me here, I don't have a workbench set up yet, so we're going to use this cardboard box. There's some bits and bobs. There's the filter element. Got the intake tube itself in polished aluminum. It also comes in black. Made in USA. This heat shield, which sort of sections off that corner of the engine bay. And this little, I think this is a filter sock. Yep, pre-filter. And that's it. That's how you install an Injen SP1343P intake on a Hyundai Veloster N. The P at the end of that stands for polished. It also does come in black. Really, this intake does everything I needed it to do, and that was sound cool and look good. It really adds something to the car, I think. It already, the car already had the pops and bangs from the exhaust, and now you get the intake noise and that turbo flutter, which is really cool. A couple things to note: the heat shield did have a bent mounting tab that I was able to bend back with my fingers and paint the cracked paint a little bit just to touch it up and keep it from rusting. One other thing to mention is that adding an intake like this to your Veloster N does not void the factory warranty. Hyundai states that you can modify anything you want as long as it's not past the turbo inlet. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That would help the channel tremendously, and it only takes a second. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That's the best way to stay up to date for every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.